whoever shows up with the most energy, the most enthusiasm, the most passion, that's who changes the conversation. So what do you do to put yourself in a flow state? What do you do to make sure you've got the kind of energy and enthusiasm you need every single day, regardless of what's going on around you? What do you do? I challenge you. Is it watching a video like this? Is that gonna get the goosebumps going? Is that gonna get your energy going? I know this. Consumers have a choice and you have a choice. And your family, when they see you, they have a choice. And the choice is this: whoever shows up with the most energy, the most enthusiasm, the most passion, that's who changes the conversation. That's who controls the moment. This is the environment where people like you and I, we get to shine. So just ask yourself, what do I do that gives me that energy? What do I do that puts me in that flow state? And whatever it is, do way more of it.